Hi beautiful people, welcome to another vlog, and today we are doing one of my favorite series, a grocery shopping haul. And right now I'm at the supermarket and we are doing a grocery shopping, and I'll take you along with me here in the supermarket and also as we drive home, and let's shop together. Enjoy. Hi guys, so let's go right ahead and start our grocery shopping haul. So on my breakfast items, that is where I'm going to start. I have beef sausages over here, 1 kg from Farmer's Choice. And coming to this direction, I have loaves of bread. It's a mix of festive bread, the brown one and the white one. I bought a little bit more so that I can keep them in my freezer because I don't want to be going back to the supermarket for the next couple of days. So I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, a mix of them, so that takes me for the next 2 weeks. Also I also got these Carrefour buns. I'm grabbed them. This is a pack of I think 12 or thereabout. On this other side I got Del Monte juices. Love this juice, the tropical one, the mango one, and I also got the orange one. Love them. On this side of my breakfast items, I also got yogurt. I got Daima yogurt, this one 500 ml or 500 grams, and I got the plain yogurt, I got the strawberry yogurt, and I got one black currant over there. So yep. Moving on this side, let's go right ahead to the foodstuffs. On this side I have cooking oil. I got 3 liters of fresh fry cooking oil. I also got this ufuta cooking oil. This is going to last me for a month or so. I got 4 kilograms of sugar. One is Cabras and the other one is Nutramilk over there. On this side I got vinegar. This is Clover's white vinegar. I got spaghetti, 1 pack of spaghetti. I have still some from last month. I got the Knorr beef cubes. I also got the Royco cubes, these chicken flavors. On this direction I got a pack of ginger, pure ginger. On this side have salt. Over there, this side I bought these I think it's new in the market because I haven't bought it before. Unga safi wangano, which is fortified vitamin and minerals baking flour, Mother's Choice. I bought 3 of those so that I can try it out. I think it's going for around 165, yeah, they're about 165 from Carrefour supermarket here. And on this other side, of course, I topped all-purpose flour by Ajab, 2 more packs. So my all-purpose flour, 5 packs, that's gonna push me a whole month. And our ugali fans, I got Jogo fortified unga. This is maize flour for making ugali and what have you. So yep, that is also on that side of grocery. Moving on this side, let's go to the serviettes. I got these 2 rolls paper kitchen towels. Libel, it's a good brand. Got that one. I got also some serviettes, these velvet folded serviettes. Velvex folded serviettes. On this side I got rolls of tissue. I got a mix of everything. So I got these Flora tissues. These are 8 packs. I got these Rossi 10 pieces of tissue as well. I got 10s of Hanan and another 10s of Hanan, and I also got a pack of 4 from Rossi. So that's these are a lot of tissues. I didn't even notice when I was purchasing this. This is a lot. Gonna push me for like a whole month or something of the sort. Anywho, that's gonna be put in good use. So moving on, I have a couple of things there. I have sanitary towels, which I got a couple of them. That's always the soft care, another soft care over there. I also got a cleaning agent for the bathroom, which is morning fresh scoring powder. I got cleaning sponges. I got 2 of those, a blue and a green one. I also got sunlight hand wash powder. This is 1 kg. Yep. Moving on, I also got morning fresh. This is grease cutting power. This liquid is amazing, so I got 1 of that for washing dishes. I got small bathing soaps. These ones Geisha. It's a pack. It's being sold like this. I wonder how much this was going for, but it was packed like this, so I picked that. I also got some sufuria cleaners. I got this pack for washing utensils, and these also for washing utensils, which I like. On this other side, I added another soap so that they can push me for a month. This morning fresh super concentrate paste for washing utensils. And I also got bars of soap. I got Menengai, 2 bars over there, washing bars. On my vegetables, I got this spinach again from Carrefour. These are 2 bunches. This is 66 Kenya shillings. Fresh spinach. I got 2 of those, so those will push me for a couple of days. The spinach, I think it's a little bit fair because it's quite hefty. I think very priced, and they are fresh spinach. Love them, love them, love them. I also got this strawberry jam for bread application. I got very healthy bananas over here. This is a bunch of about 12 bananas. Huge bananas. That's amazing. Packs of avocados. These are Hass avocados. I got 2, and actually these are going for 100 bob each. 100 bob each pack. How amazing is this? This was such a good deal. I also got a bag of onions. I think these are about 12 onions here for 100. Is it 100 bob? No, these 12 onions were going for, I think, 100 bob. Yeah. Of course, I also sent out my mom to get me 2 packs of Gadudi premium tea, my favorite tea of choice any day. So I got 2 of those and love it. So that's my grocery shopping haul. I hope you enjoyed. What is your new brands? I think for me, what I'm testing out that I haven't bought before is this Mother's Choice fortified home baking flour. Excited to try to bake with it or make chapatis and see how that goes. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.